Hey everyone, welcome back to Frontend Magic Lab. Today, we're building a high-end interactive image zoom effect using pure CSS and vanilla JavaScript. Before we jump into the code, let's see exactly what we're aiming for. Notice how the magnifying glass glides across the image with zero latency. It's not just following the cursor, it's providing a crystal clear, high-definition look at every pixel. But here's the best part, scroll your mouse wheel. See that? You can dynamically adjust the zoom scale in real time. Whether you're building a luxury e-commerce site or a detailed art portfolio, this feature elevates the user experience instantly. We're going to focus on smooth transitions and precise coordinate tracking today. Let's get our hands dirty. Alright, step 1. HTML. We'll keep the structure clean and semantic. I'm wrapping everything in a main container called Zoomer. This will act as our relative coordinate system. Inside, we have our base image and the viewfinder. Now, pay attention to the magnifying glass. Instead of using a static PNG image, I'm coding an SVG from scratch. Why? Because SVGs are infinitely scalable and resolution independent. This ensures our lens frame and handle look sharp on every display, from mobile to 4K monitors. I'll define the paths now to give it that realistic aesthetic. Now, let's make it look premium with CSS. I'm using CSS Variables here for the scale and size. This is a game changer because it allows us to update the entire look and feel from just a few lines of code later on. We'll set the viewfinder to absolute positioning so it can float over the image. Now, here is a crucial tip. Look at pointer events. None on the magnifying glass. If we don't add this, the glass will block the mouse cursor, and our JavaScript won't be able to track the image underneath. We're also adding some subtle gradients to the SVG lens to give it that glass-like 3D reflection. It's these small details that make your UI stand out. This is where the magic happens. In the script file, we first need to grab our DOM elements and set up a configuration object. This keeps our code organized and easy to tweak. We're using getBoundingClientRect to get the exact dimensions and position of the image on the screen. Then, we calculate the mouse position as a percentage, from 0 to 100%. By using percentages instead of raw pixels, our zoom effect stays responsive and accurate even if the image changes size. Every movement is calculated in real time to update the background position of our viewfinder. To make this truly interactive, let's add the scroll wheel functionality. We're listening for the wheel event. Notice how I'm using a clamp logic. We want to limit the zoom so it doesn't get too small or too large, which would break the visual experience. As I type this out, we are connecting the delta y value of the wheel to our CSS scale variable. This creates a seamless loop between user input and visual feedback. Finally, we'll add the event listeners for pointer move to activate the lens and pointer leave to hide it when the user isn't interacting. Watch the preview on the right. Everything is starting to sync up perfectly. And there we go. Full functionality is now live. Move the cursor, scroll the wheel, everything feels incredibly fluid. What's great about this approach is that it's lightweight. No heavy libraries, just clean, efficient code that won't slow down your website. You can easily take this logic and apply it to any product gallery or interactive map project. If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel. If you want more creative front-end tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. You can find the full source code and my social links in the description below. Thanks for hanging out with me today at Frontend Magic Lab. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!